Hello. Ma'am? Hello. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Hello. Kettering Police. What's going on? Huh? Nothing? Sure about that? Okay. Are you able to get out of the vehicle for me? Alright, come now. I have to find this car's turned off. Got the keys. Right, I have to come this way. You got no weapons, do you? Alright. Yeah, you might have to go out the passenger door.
All good?
Yes.
Let's take your purse off here. Got no weapons on it?
No. No, sir. Oh, sorry.
So what's going on?
Nothing.
Where you coming from?
Brewski Barrel.
Where?
Brewski Barrel.
Brewski Barrel? Okay, what were you doing there?
Just drinking with my friends.
What were you drinking?
Tito's and Red Bull.
What is it?
Tito's and Red Bull.
Tito's and Red Bull?
Yes, sir.
How many of those did you have?
Two there. Two there.
2 of them?
Yes.
Okay. And you just fell asleep?
Yes.
Okay. You got any medical problems or anything like that?
No, sir.
No? Okay. You take any medication for anything?
No, sir.
Okay.
I take antidepressants and anxiety.
Did you take any of those tonight?
Yes,
on top
sir.
of drinking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to partake in some field sobriety test?
That's fine.
Okay. Well, come over here. Stand on this yellow line for me.
Yes, sir.
Put your feet together, heels to toes. Make sure they're touching. Arms down at your side. Go ahead and take your glasses off for me, okay? I'll hold them. Okay, make sure your feet are touching, heels and toes together, arms down at your side. Don't look straight at me, okay? I'm gonna hold the tip of my finger out. You look at the tip of my finger. You see my finger, okay? Okay, with your eyes and your eyes only, you're gonna follow my finger, okay? Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do not move your head, just with your eyes only, okay? Can't move your head, okay?
Sorry.
Still doing okay? I'm gonna continue to do it, alright?
Okay.
Don't lift your head up.
Sorry.
Okay, do it again. Okay, you can relax. Next going to be the walk and turn. So you see this yellow line? Picture it like the line you're going to be walking on, okay? See where my partner is up there?
Okay.
Just don't go beyond him. Alright, you're going to put your left foot on line, right foot in front of it. Go ahead and do that. Don't start yet until I tell you to start, okay?
Sorry.
Left foot on the line, right foot in front of it, and hold that position, okay?
Yes.
Make sure you're touching heel to toe. Don't start until I tell you to start, okay? Left foot on the line, right foot in front. Go ahead and do that. Keep going. Get in the starting position for me, and I'll explain the test.
Yes.
Yeah, and then put your right foot in front of that one.
I can't do it, sorry.
You got any leg problems or anything like that?
No.
Okay. You want to try to do the test?
No.
You don't want to do it? Okay. You want to do the one? Do you want to do the one leg stand?
No.
Okay. You want to do the alphabet? That one's pretty easy.
Sir.
What's your highest level of education?
High school.
High school?
Yes.
Okay. You know your alphabet?
Yes.
Okay. Start with the letter D as in dog and end with K. So start with D, end with K as in king.
So start with D.
Yep. As in dog.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm sorry, can you explain again?
Start with D, the letter D. So you go D and end with K.
Okay.
So the last letter would be K and you'd stop.
Okay. E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Okay. Now it's going to be numbers. You're going to count backwards from 67. So you start with 67, count down to 53.
Okay. 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 57, 56, 55, 54. I passed it.
Okay.
You said 57. I'm sorry.
You're fine. Alright, back to the alphabet. Start with D, end with K. So you start with D, end with K.
E, F, sorry, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm sorry.
That's fine. Alright, back to the numbers. Start with 67, count backwards to 53.
Start with what? I'm sorry.
67 and go down to 53. Count backwards.
66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 62.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Okay, there's one more test, okay? You're going to stand like you are standing. You're going to put your hands to your side.
Yes, sir.
When I tell you to, you're going to tilt your head back and keep your eyes closed, okay? And I'm going to tell you left or right. You watch me still, because I'm going to explain it to you. So I'm going to say left. You're going to bring your left hand up and touch the tip of your nose, okay? With your finger. Your pointer finger only, okay? Touch the tip of your nose and put it right back down, okay? You understand?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to say left, right, left, right. You use that finger and touch the tip of your nose, okay?
I'm sorry.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and tilt your head back. Close your eyes, okay? Left. Put it back down. As soon as you do it, just put it right back down, okay? Right. Left. Right. Right.
Any equipment, Donald?
Left.
13 wide.
Right.
324.
Okay. You stop. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how intoxicated would you say you are right now? With 10 being, you be a 5?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. And unlock your fingers like you're praying, okay? No, you're fine. Let me lock them, okay? Is this your vehicle? Whose vehicle is it? Your sister's?
Oh,
You have your driver's license on
Yes,
you anywhere?
sir.
Is this your purse right here? Yeah. So,
I'm gonna see if I can move her car.
yeah. 416 to OLN.
Go ahead.
Should be Macy Wilson.
Alright, I'm gonna. You want her phone?
Macy Wilson. Miss Valley, no one.
I'm clear. Should be in custody. CCH for over here.
326.
Here's your phone. There's $40 laying in it.
Yes, yes.
If there's any other money, I will.
She's got money right there.
Yeah, I'm sure she'll rather take that than leave it in the car.
Yeah, yeah. I understand. Son. Never fails. This McDonald's. It's bad. I need to start closing at like 10.
11.